When you need to complete science projects that impress your teachers, or have a question about the world that you've just got to explore, use Gale In Context Science. Click Browse Topics for fast access to key subjects within biology, chemistry, technology, and more. Browse all topics, or choose a category. Access overviews to build your background knowledge. Expand your understanding with hand-picked featured content. Engage with multimedia coverage. Multiple source types and recent coverage help you investigate and hypothesize. Click options to add limiters and view sources. Use Cite to start your works cited. Or simply choose your preferred citation format at the bottom of the article. Save your results to stay organized and easily manage your research.